Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the crazy day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area of support is essentially this little miniature trend line that has been able to form after the day, which suggests that, you know what, maybe, just maybe this is some sort of bottom that's forming. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, think about what else could be happening. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but after nasty movements, especially during the first 30 minutes, have you ever seen anything that just kind of goes like this the remainder of the day, just bleeds and bleeds and bleeds the remainder of the day? Like I said, if you've traded for a long enough time, I'm sure you've seen several stocks that do that. But the exact opposite actually happened today, whereas the price started to trend upwards. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price actually had a little bit of an uptrend does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom and that this is for sure bouncing up to $1.50. I'm not saying that. My point is it's at least a logical thought to have. It's rational. Whereas let's say that the price actually looked like I just showed, where it was going down and down and down. And then I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? But in this situation, it actually is trending upwards. Again, does that mean it's for sure the bottom? No. Does that mean it's a valid thought to have? Absolutely. So we'll see if this trend line can continue to hold. That is definitely going to be a very important level of support. If this is indeed some sort of bottom and the price is going to get any sort of further movement to the upside, let's talk about resistance levels here. So red for resistance, and really the main level to watch from that resistance side of things is right up there at the $1.20, $1.21-ish area, where you can see the price has been rejected on a couple of times there. Got somewhat close to it this afternoon, but can never quite push through it. So if there is going to be any sort of bigger movement to the upside, definitely that $1.20-ish area is going to be the key level to watch. But yeah, certainly an interesting pattern going into next week. Let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.